Hi, welcome to BoyKo driving tutorial. This day road trip going Canlaon City with my buddy Michael. A short history of Canlaon City. Canlaon was known before as Sitio Maybago, of Barrio Panubigan, which was then under the municipality of Valle Hermoso. It was named as such because of the BoyKo trees abounding the place. This wilderness area was ruled before by a native chieftain named Sanico. Later on, Maybago became part of the sprawling property of Don Diego de la Vina in Valle Hermoso. The area soon gained prominence as a hub of commerce and agriculture as migrants from Cebu, Bohol, and Panay settled in the area. In 1941, an Ilocano geodetic engineer, Isidro Bautista Sr., together with the other residents filed a petition urging the national government for Maybago's conversion into a municipality. However, war in the Pacific broke out and dimmed all hopes for township. It was October 11, 1946 that Sitio Maybago was converted into a municipality. It was then named as Municipality of Canlaon. It was then changed into a component city on July 2, 1967.